small ship and owner 545. I mixed the term of ship and owner because there are small ships and there are small ship owners. But I enclose here a video of me surfing a really very small wave. And I thought there was a coincidence between the one and the other. Why? Because in order to reach 100% potential, you need to really ride the small waves because that's where you get the speed. You must row very fast, stand up very fast, and then push and go fast. Yes, and then you can also mix with big wave, which that's where you need to find out if you can be 2 minutes, 1 minute with no breath, for example, or you can swim for 3 hours non-stop, for example, and that's where you get the resistance. But going back to small, fleet and owner, we have here the same similarity. Is there a need today, because we are expanding big way, either offshore, tugs, anchor handlers, small ships and the small ship owners? Why? Because we have 155,000 seafarers database. Now this year we expect to get to 200,000. As you can see, our social media is growing, database is growing. We have all kinds of seafarers available throughout the planet, and then small ship owners and ship need our assistance because they cannot cope with this everyday need of urgent talent, ESG, corporate social responsible solutions at reasonable cost, whether you are in Fiji, where we started not surfing small waves, because what some do, but also you get a big pool, very good, thank you very much, Fiji Maritime Schools. We have very good communications, digital of course, and with many different countries in the planet to solve your issues. If you're a small ship owner or a small ship's owner, so get in touch with us because we have this speed required to end your risk. Safety is first. So August is the time that you should really contact us because we have many solutions available, which many other owners are thinking the same way. But if you want to be different from the others and make your company survive and expand, Candina is your place. We've been doing this for 125 years, and indeed we do know quite a lot about the small ships and owners because we got up to 8 ships which were all small before the Spanish Civil War. So we know and we want to go back to our origins with you, dear ship owner, to provide solutions, because the big guys will provide big solutions, but you just need speed. Thank you. Bye.